How to do bicycle crunches. Ultimate of challenge. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Bicycle crunches are a powerhouse exercise for sculpting your abs. Here's how to do them effectively. Starting position. Lie flat on your back with your hands behind your head, elbows out to the sides. Lifting. Lift your legs off the ground and bend your knees to a 90-degree angle. Crunching. Lift your head, neck, and shoulders off the ground, bringing your right elbow towards your left knee while straightening your right leg. Twisting. Simultaneously switch sides, bringing your left elbow towards your right knee, straightening your left leg. Breathing. Exhale as you crunch and twist. Inhale as you return to the starting position. Repetition. Aim for 15 to 20 repetitions per set, gradually increasing as you get stronger. Bicycle crunches engage your entire core, helping to strengthen and define your abdominal muscles. Include them in your workout routine for a challenging and effective workout.